Ready?
Yep.
Okay. We did this. Now we need these two pieces. It takes it on the forklift and on the train. It needs these two pieces. Here, then it needs all of these pieces to make top flat. This flat. We need this, and this, and this, and this,
Push it out so we can see it. Get your hands over it.
and see how it's kind of Lego-y there?
Yeah.
That means we need to put see those are for the top, Mimi.
Got it.
And then we put it right there. Then it's not Lego-y. Now.
What does it mean, Lego-y?
Lego-y, it means it doesn't have Lego connections.
Oh.
See? Now, see, it builds part of the top. It's that part of the top. Now we're building the top. So first we need this, then we need this, then we need all of these. Put them along the side.